So if you've been watching my channel for a while now, you'll know that I've recently upgraded my Surron with a 72 volt battery. Now there's two main reasons why I went for this battery. One, obviously being 72 volts, it's going to give me way more in top end and performance. But number two, it's a 55 amp hour battery, and what that basically means is I'm just going to get a lot more range than my stock battery. So in today's video, I'm going to take the Surron out, we're going to go for a massive ride, we're going to meet up with some of the lads, and let's see what sort of range you can realistically get from this type of battery. Just before I start talking about the battery, we've got a lot of things to unpack in this video. First of all, we've just hit over 2,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel, which is unbelievable. It's blown my mind. I started this channel just over a year ago, and the only reason I started this channel is because it's great riding Surrons, but when you're riding on your own, after time it can get a little bit boring. So I bought a camera along on my rides just to sort of document my journey with the bike and the things I've done to it. And someone said to me, why don't you put this on YouTube? People might be quite interested in this. And I started looking around, and there was other channels out there, a lot obviously in America, and I could only really find one other person in the UK doing this sort of content, and that's Matt Francis. And if you don't know who Matt Francis is, I'm going to put a link to his channel in the description. I'll put it up on the screen as well. But yeah, definitely go and check him out. Really nice guy, awesome YouTube channel, great content. You've also got Stingy Rogerr in the UK. Again, really nice guy, really good content. He rides the Talaria. It's a slightly different bike to the Surron that I ride, and he's got one of the nicest Talaria builds I think that you'd ever see. Again, I'll leave a link in the description for his channel, and I'll put it up on the screen now. But these two channels in particular definitely give me inspiration to get out, ride my Surron and make content. But yeah, last year when I started the channel, I had a goal in my head that I wanted to reach about 100 subscribers by the end of the year. I think we ended the year out with about 1,700, which completely blew my expectations out the water. I was really surprised, you know, just me riding around on my Surron and just chatting shit to a camera. There's so many people would be interested in it, so that was unreal. But like I said, yeah, we've now hit over 2,000 subscribers. So I just wanted to say, if you are subscribed to this channel, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. It doesn't go unnoticed. Thank you so much for the support. If you've liked any of my videos, if you commented on them, again, a massive thank you, because it massively helps the channel out. And moving on from that, now that we've hit 2,000 subscribers, it's a huge milestone for me. I wanted to kind of celebrate with kind of switching things up a little bit. So I've had in my mind for a little while now that having this new battery, the old graphics are obviously still stuck to my old battery. Obviously the new battery came with its own set of graphics, so the bike was just looking a little bit weird and nothing really matched. So I wanted to completely transform the bike. So hitting this milestone seems like a really good excuse. I've been looking around at different companies, trying to come up with some different ideas of the sorts of designs and styles that I really like. The only problem I could see though is you're spending out sort of £200, £300, £400 on a set of graphics, and you only kind of get one shot at this. So once they're made, that's it. What I'll do is kind of try and make my own set of graphics. Obviously I don't have a massive print machine and things like that, so they're not going to be, you know, perfectly cut to size and the right shape. So the only way I could see of doing this was buying some vinyl wrap and then sort of getting some stickers and other types of graphics that I kind of like the look of, merging it all together and try and come up with a design that I'm happy with, which I can then look later down the line to actually have made into a proper graphic set. And kind of what I've created, I'm actually really happy with. I obviously wanted to keep with the black and white theme, very similar to the last one. I just think it looks really smart on Surrons, and you don't really see too many sort of white graphics kits. A lot of people are going obviously for the sort of shimmery holographic style. But yeah, it's now all complete, so I'll throw a little montage up on the screen now. Let me know what you think.
Watch me as I take off. I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Then I'm surfing in California when I'm paid off. I'll be blurring my vision, sipping on that bass sauce. La da da, watch out, I'm coming, yeah. I know, I'm a hustler, I go. Got me running, got me gunning for thrones. I won't go back, no pass, blow past so fast, I'm gone.
So yeah, super happy with the way that came out. The only thing I'm just a little bit gutted with is actually vinyl wrap is meant for cars, and the vinyl wrap doesn't stick particularly well to the bare frame of the Surron. I've had this before, I've wrapped certain parts of the bike, and after a while I know what's going to happen. The wrap will start to come off, hence why you really do need to go for a sort of professional company to make the sticker kit. The glue they use is a lot better, and it's actually designed for that purpose. So, but for the time being, to give me an idea, super happy with it. So moving on, let's talk about this battery then. So if you missed it from any of my last videos, I've upgraded to the 72 volt 55 amp hour Dominator V3 from Electron Cycles. So I've had the battery over a month now, so I've had a really good time to sort of test and review it, and I absolutely love it. More speed than you would ever need, and the range is just phenomenal compared to my old battery. I think in the month that I've had it, I've barely charged it. It just keeps going and going. So what I kind of wanted to do is run a little range test on it just to see roughly what you could expect if you're looking to upgrade your battery. So there are bigger amp hour batteries out there. I ride with a couple of people that are running like sort of amp hours into the 60s. So there are much bigger batteries that you can get, but the beauty of this one is the speed. The 72 volts just delivers just a mental amount of power. So what we're going to do then in this video, we're going to head out, we're going to do what I would call a sort of average ride. We're going to be doing stuff like this, so a lot of off-road riding, a bit of on-road riding. We're going to meet up with some of the other lads, so we're going to get some wheelie practice in as well. I'm going to be sitting at different speeds too, so at the moment we're just sort of cruising around sort of 10 to 15 mile an hour. There's going to be spots where I'm going to be getting up to sort of 60, 65 mile an hour, just to sort of cover all bases, just so we can get a sort of a fair representation of. So the easiest way to track the riders, I'm just going to pop it up on Strava. I'm just going to have that running in the background. Once I've completed the ride, we'll head back and then we'll sort of look at how much battery I've got left, see how many miles I've covered. There is obviously going to be a lot of starting and stopping on the ride, so we're not really going to be looking at sort of average pace or anything like that. You'll be able to gauge from the video the sort of style of riding that I'm doing and the sort of speeds that I'm doing. Let's get shifty on. Let's go meet up with the lads. Let's go. All the guys with the helicopters out this morning. Morning.
Yo, I just got hit it one time.
Nice.
Let's go. Better hit the gas for a minute, no cap, no limit. I attack till I finish, I attract and I get it. Got my cash all liquid, never pass my limit. Too fast when I'm spitting, read it back, now they get it on. Flipping that switch as I'm hitting these bars like a gift. I spit like I'm sipping gold bars to these kids, no kidding. I've been winning this and getting my best life dinner while I'm hitting on a mission. Ooh, spicy, I know they like me, but I got a wifey. She be real nice to me, no one works like me. Got a different mindset, my rate is pricey. Got a different psyche, ooh, lyrics are icy. Living life nicely, very precisely. Living divinely, manifest wisely. All I know is that I've been living for the sightseeing. Been around the world for a visit, first class ticket. Man, I'm in it, man, I'm winning. I don't have no limit. If I want it, then I get it. If she want it, then she get it. I ain't never done finished, I'ma give it.
Any man I know that can do a knee knocker with a shovel in his bag.
Keep hitting two ways, I'm splitting all in. I'm risking it all, yeah, I don't ever fall, yeah. But if I do, I get back up, stand tall, yeah. I want it all, yeah. A good life, I don't think small, yeah. I'ma be big one day, see me taking off runway. My name up in lights someday. Looking at a crowd that loves me, yeah, I came here to play. I'm lucid, I'm not losing. This life is one I'm choosing. I don't stop, I keep moving. Just watch me as I prove it. Oh, I'm telling you I never let go. When I'm in a fight, put on a show. I create the life I want now, and no, I never back down. There's meaning, lives and seasons. Find your will, yeah, find your reason. Be a demon, go and seize it. Live your life how you want, live it just so you please it. No weakness, we defeat this. In our mind, over time, we become, we believe it. Oh.
I thought it was going to wipe me out. Oh! It was going to happen sooner or later. Lucky I went on the back wheel. Okay, so we're just heading on the way home now. Been out riding most of the day. Sun's just about to set. Lovely scenes on the south coast. So I've just pulled over, I've just checked my Strava and just finished the ride there. It's showing that we're just under 25 miles. And in terms of my battery, it's showing that we are 58%. I'll just pull over so you can see it. I don't know if you can quite see on the display there. It's just jumped up. Oh no, it's gone back down to I was teetering between 58 and 59. It's just where the cells are balancing themselves out now. I've stopped the bike, but yeah, 25 miles with 58% of my battery left. I'm really happy with that. With my old battery, I probably couldn't even get 25 miles, so especially riding at the pace I have been today. So yeah, sort of working out the maths from there then, you're probably looking from a full charge. You could probably estimate to get between 50, maybe even 60 miles, which is so impressive. And I know there are bigger AH batteries out there, but the thing that I really love about the Dominator V3 is the fact that it's the 72 volts, so the amount of power that this thing gives you is just phenomenal, and you're still getting so much range with that as well. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think that's good? Are you getting any more range out of your batteries? Are there any other videos that you want to see with this battery or the bike? Let me know in the comments below. That sunset is just awesome. I'm going to finish the video there then, guys. As always, thank you ever so much for watching. Hopefully this video's been interesting, and hopefully it's helped anybody out that's looking to upgrade to a 72 volt battery. If you have found it interesting, or if it has helped you out, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me, and if you haven't done already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button too. So yeah, cheers guys, thanks a lot, and I will see you in the next one. Take it easy.